Hi, in this module we're gonna talk about how big is Forex. So Forex is a very big market, and it is today one of the largest financial market in the world, with the daily trading of the last time I checked, it was over 4 trillion US dollars. And each year, or I think every 3 years, there's a survey done there's a group, the Bank of International Settlement, and they see how much trading has been done in the Forex. So let's have a look. So I'm gonna search for the triennial survey, which is conducted by the BIS organization, and there you can see some numbers and figures. I think it's published every 3 years, and you can go on this website and have a look. So for example, the last survey, which looks like done in 2016, if I look at this, you can see that the total number of transactions done in $1 billion, so that means this is 5 trillion. This is the trades done in total, including spot transactions, forwards, foreign exchange swaps, currency swaps, and FX options, with the swaps being the smallest. Okay, we're going to go into detail of everything throughout the course, depending on which module you're going to watch, but this is just an overview of the Forex. The biggest currency now is the USD, and the second biggest currency for trading in the financial market is Euro, and then third is JPY. So JPY is something ignored by a lot of the traders because it's from far away, it's from Japan, but as you can see, this is the third biggest currency to trade with. It's not even the GBP. The GBP is probably the half of the JPY, so it is definitely a significant currency which is used in trading, and I would highly recommend trading with JPY after seeing this. So let's go back to our training course. Now most of the trading is done by the retail investors. So retail traders are basically people like you and me, who are not the big players like some pension funds and all these sort of groups. So we are individuals, and that counts for 50% of the traders in the Forex market. So we are definitely a big group, and we are expanding, and it is a very large portion of total Forex turnover, according to the survey which I showed you from the triennial survey, and it is done every 3 years. So the transactions done is about 4 trillion USD daily. That's right, that is a lot of money traded in Forex daily. So this is a huge number. That means if you multiply that with the number of days, number of month, number of year, that is a lot of money which is being traded, and there is a lot of money to be made. Okay, so my recommendation is to jump on this wagon of the accelerated growth of Forex trading industry, which is not gonna die because it's growing. You need money, you need different currencies, and as long as there are different countries out there, there will be trade happening in currency exchanges. Now the word Forex is actually foreign exchange. Okay, so and then the short is Forex. So this is the basics of the Forex and how big the Forex industry really is. See you in the next module.